friends, and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're back. If you are new, hi, my name's Rabbit and my pronouns are they, them, and either way, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So today's video is going to be pretty fun and casual, just like a little sit down talk sort of thing. Basically, when I was a little munchkin child baby bat, little 12-year-old getting into the scene for the first time, I lived in a really small town, like under 500 people population, and when that's kind of your town, your exposure to the alt scene tends to be mostly on the internet, and back in the day, it wasn't like, you know, like I was born in 98, so like when I was 12, there wasn't as much of the YouTubes and the TikToks as there is now. So a lot of the things that I would read online were like people's blogs and online magazine articles, and one of the ones that I would read was Gothic Beauty magazine. So when they reached out to me on Instagram and were like, hey, do you want to review like one of our little package boxes things? I was like, yes, because I've always wanted like a Gothic magazine, like physical subscription, but like when I was 12, I didn't have like a credit card I could go like buy one online with, and then like the idea just kind of like faded as physical media kind of has not been as prevalent as other stuff, and then it just never kind of like occurred to me to look back into if they were doing like subscriptions anymore, but they are, and they're doing like subscription boxes, and like I saw a couple other people on YouTube get them sent to them, but I was like, oh, look at that. And then they reached out to me and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, honored. So yeah, that's what I got today. We're gonna have like a little box unboxing and magazine little mini review. Like I'm not gonna like read it to you guys or anything, but we're gonna like have a little flip through and I can't wait. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's get into it. Ooh, the cover's so pretty and glossy and shiny. Oh my gosh, sorry, I need a little nostalgia moment. Oh, stop it. Okay, sorry. Look. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I thought it was Toxic Tears on the back for a sec. Ah, pretty. Very pretty. That's so cute. I love when people do like face gems as makeup. Oh my gosh, the quality of this is like, sorry. The print quality is really nice. The lip service ad, super cute. And the random goth couple. That's fun. Oh, Vampire, Sadie Jane. Oh, so many people that I watch on like Jane Wilkes. Oh my god. Oh, there's like so many people from the alternative community. It's like crazy because, yeah, being like a little child and like looking at this magazine when it was like, you know, like the background is red and I was just like scrolling it online in like my family computer room, like that whole thing, like the specific carpet, and I can like smell exactly what my childhood has smelled like and everything like that. And then watching on YouTube people do the unboxings and stuff, and like also watching these people have YouTube channels in general, and then being like holding it in my hand and being like, oh my god, like full circle moment. It's crazy. Oh, this is so fun. They have so many like yeah, just like people doing the unboxing things. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, what is these capes? Sorry, I said I wouldn't do a flip through, but guess what we're freaking doing? Okay, we got some makeup like recommendations slash like, you know, the accessories and stuff. I'm gonna like read through this in bed tonight, but I'm just doing the quick flip through. Oh my gosh, the bridal wedding, sorry, the gothy wedding with like, sorry, this very hot Viking man and this very gorgeous, beautiful lady. Oh, look at her dress. Look at this veil. This is like elf pagan wedding dreams. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. I like talk to Cage sometimes and I'm like, I don't think I like want a wedding. I think I just want like a fancy photo shoot in the forest, because when I think of like planning all the wedding stuff, that sounds overwhelming, but the fancy photo shoot part, that sounds amazing. So I'm like, let's just do that part. And like, you know, so yeah. Oh, these are really pretty capes. Is this a clothing brand? Yes! Oh, I can't wait to read this. Okay, Blackwood Castle, Yasmin Shade. Oh, great. It's, yeah, an interview with a gothy fashion designer. Super inspirational for me. I can't wait to read this. Loving the elf ears, loving the little Red Riding Hood look. Very iconic. Oh my god, stop it. Look at this scythe. When I was, a young'un, and honestly still, I decorated my room, and still do, with all sorts of like magazine cutouts and stuff like this, and so many of these pictures I'm like, I don't want to cut out pages because it's so pretty, but I also want to because I want to look at them all the time. It's always like the ooh, Voltaire! I love it. It's always the contrast between being like, I want this piece on the wall where I can stare at it every day instead of being tucked away on a book in my bookshelf where I don't see it, but I also like get sad when the book is missing the pages and I don't want to get like 2 copies of stuff. Oh my god. Sorry, I've been really into medieval goth stuff lately, and this is like super inspirational. I've been meaning to make a lookbook DIY video about all that kind of topic. It's just taking me a while to put together, but that will be very, very exciting. So pretty, this like Rococo stuff. Loving it. So fancy. So beautiful. There's a music review section. Classic, I remember that part. Video reviews. Stop it. Look at this. This is such beautiful fashion stuff, my friends. Frick! I can't believe I didn't get a subscription to this sooner. Like, this is so, you know, just like those little parts of the Gothic subculture that you're just like, yes, it's wonderful to read the magazine articles online and like, you know, experience it in that way or just like chat with people about it, but like also getting to hold it in your hand and be like, oh, like look at the pretty outfits and like read the nice words and then like tuck it away on your shelf, like look at it like months later, years later, whatever. It's just so fun. I have a huge collection of old Buffy magazines that I got off someone on Facebook Marketplace, so I love old school magazines, and this one just like has the vibes of that, and it's so fun. And like, ugh, look at this fashion. Amazing. I love it. So pretty. It's like an elf prince. Yes, okay, incredible. Of course, there's also the box part of the box. But this part is so exciting, so it's, oh, I'm excited to read this later. Okay, let's go through the box part. Okay, so there is the following dark artifacts, the whole like thank you and what is inside, but I'm going to leave that aside because, you know, then it's a surprise. Also, it's printed with this nice marble paper on the other side, which I will be able to use as like scrapbooking stuff. And it's cute, and freaking like skull wrapping paper on the inside. Oh my gosh, okay. Remember when I opened the magazine, I was like, look at this cute art. There's a cute little card of the cute art. How pretty is that? Lip service stuff has always just been so gorgeous as like inspiration. Very, very nice. This might end up on my wall somewhere. I might have to make room. I like how they kind of leaned into like the Bratz doll styles. I feel like a lot of people who are into Monster High and Bratz would appreciate this kind of thing. Okay, so you got a cool little postcard. Okay, cool, there's a code for lip service. Whoa! Okay, there's like a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so let's go through it. There is a lip service sticker. That's very fun, I like the crossbone. There is a Doom Dust neck black and eyeshadow. Cool, okay, I usually don't do the neck black thing, but it's always fun to have a new thing, and I use a lot of black eyeshadow, so handy for that. Oh, it's nice and big. Oh, that's exciting. Holographic. Ooh. Okay, let's try some of it. Oh, and there's a mirror in it. That is nice and pigmented. Eee. Very cool. I am excited to try that later, like on my face and not just like as a swatch. Super fun. And, oh cute. There's this little sticker. Very sweet. And this little sticker. This one says Miss FD and this one says Gothic Beauty. Oh, very fun. I probably have room on my laptop for this one. And then there's a ring, just like that. I will figure out exactly what this design is. It's adjustable. I think it has like wings and like claws or something, but maybe if it's branches, I will read the thing at the end and confirm what the design of the ring is. And then we've got a choker. It's got like the chains dripping down. That's fun. Sorry, my camera died. I had to replace the battery. Alright, so this choker with like the drippies, I honestly really like the lace part, but the cameo isn't super my style, so I might replace it with something that suits me a little more and then use this for something else, or like maybe repaint the stony part in the center. But honestly, I think the lace is pretty nice. And then there's a Spooky Spirits Wicked Warm full like perfume oil thing, I think. Oh, that is actually really nice. Frick, I like that. Okay, it's like very nice and apple-y, but like, you know how a lot of times apple scents have a lot of cinnamon? Does it say what is exactly the scent? Brown sugar, cinnamon, and cold pressed jojoba. For some reason, it's not like the overwhelming cinnamon, because normally I don't think I like cinnamon scents, but I like this. So interesting. Cool. And then there is a eyeliner stamp. I was talking about these in my video the other day. That is so fun. Oh, I think it's a sparkle, apparently. Okay, so yes, it's a pen on one side and a stamp on the other. Cool, because I was running out of eyeliner and that one looks nice and liquidy, inky, like good stuff. Okay, and then the stamp is a star. Oh, it's a really cute star. Hold on, let me do it on my wrist where it's like a little more visible. I accidentally got like a little bit of the stamp part on it. But that's really fun! Super cute. I normally just do them with like little eyeliner things, but this will be faster and more consistent, so super cool. Dark Asteroid Pretty. Pitch Black Lip Liner. Awesome! Always looking for more black lips products. Honestly, just for the makeup, this is very exciting. The jewelry, I'm like, could give or take, but the makeup, I am enjoying this. I will have to say, I will like try it on my skin and, you know, report from there. But as of yet, happy. And it's all like cruelty free. I've been noticing the little happy bunny logo on the back, so that's good. Okay, there we are. Nice, Dark Asteroid Pretty. Oh, cool. Very nice lip liner. It's great because goth makeup kits, you don't have to like do things specific for skin tones, just make everything black and we're all happy. It's fantastic, I love it. And then there is a foundation brush, which is fun. I feel like normally I don't use brushes for foundation, but I sometimes use them for contour and stuff, so depending on what it looks like, yeah, this will be really good for like blending my contour and stuff when I do it for my makeup looks, and or if I ever do my clown white makeup looks. Ooh, that's really nice and soft. Cool. So yes, very makeup-y box. Lots of fun purple stuff, fun wrapping paper thing. Let me confirm if it says what style that ring was. There is the Dark Asteroid Pretty Foundation, yes. Dark Asteroid Pretty Lip Liner, yes. Lashy Doodle, ink liner marker, Lashy Doodle neck black and eyeshadow. The Grounded Projection Adjustable Ring from Erie Bubble. Okay, so it's red zircon trapezoid in blackened stylized branches. Okay, so it's branches. Also available in heart shape. There you go. The vintage style black lace choker, the sticker, and the other sticker, and then the other sticker. So lots of stickers. That was really fun. I enjoyed that. Cute little box. Really enjoyed the makeup for it, and very surprised that I'm enjoying a cinnamon scented like perfume oil. Who am I? What the heck? I am gonna be wearing this a lot. That is really cool. Okay, yeah, so super fun. Excited to go snuggle up and read this in bed. Hope the day is treating you guys well. This was just a little fun impromptu casual sit down video. Let me know if you guys have read Gothic Beauty or what your thoughts are on the magazine and the subscription box and that kind of thing below. Well, that's all I got for now, I guess. Thanks again for watching. Alright, talk to you guys soon. Bye.